For centuries, humans have gazed upon a crimson star in our night sky, a celestial beacon that has captivated our imaginations and sparked countless tales of wonder and intrigue. This is Mars, the red planet, a world of stark beauty and enigmatic secrets. What lies beneath its rusty surface? Could life, however different, have once thrived in its ancient past? These questions have fueled our desire to explore and understand this alien world. Join us now as we embark on a journey to our planetary neighbor, uncovering the mysteries of Mars and discovering what makes this world so captivating. From its towering volcanoes to its vast canyons, Mars is a planet of dramatic contrasts, a testament to the power of nature on a cosmic scale.
Mars may be called the red planet, but its surface is a palette of colors, each telling a unique story about its geological history. The rusty red hue that gives Mars its nickname comes from iron oxide, essentially rust, that covers much of its surface. This iron oxide is a result of the planet's ancient volcanic activity and the interaction of its minerals with the thin Martian atmosphere. This dust, fine as talcum powder, is blown across the planet by Martian winds, creating massive dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. These storms can last for weeks, sometimes even months, obscuring the surface and altering the landscape. But beneath the red dust, we find other hues, darker volcanic rocks, hints of shimmering minerals, and the white of polar ice caps. These contrasting colors reveal the complex and varied nature of Martian geology. Mars is a planet of diverse geology, with towering volcanoes like Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and Valles Marineris, a canyon system so vast it would dwarf the Grand Canyon. These monumental features are a testament to the planet's dynamic and tumultuous past. These features tell a story of Mars's dynamic past, a time when volcanoes erupted with fiery might and ancient rivers may have flowed across its surface. The presence of these riverbeds suggests that liquid water once existed on Mars, hinting at the possibility of past life. Exploring these features helps us piece together the history of Mars and understand how it came to be the world we see today. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet and its potential to support life in the past or even in the future.
Mars holds a special place in our solar system, often capturing the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. It is the 4th planet from the Sun, situated just beyond Earth's orbit, making it a fascinating subject of study. This makes Mars one of our closest planetary neighbors, a mere hop, skip, and a jump away on the cosmic scale, relatively speaking. Because of its position, Mars has been a prime target for our robotic explorers, who have ventured to uncover its secrets. From the early Mariner missions to the more recent Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, our efforts have been relentless. We've sent spacecraft to orbit, land on, and even rove across the Martian surface, each mission building on the last. These missions have beamed back incredible images and data, revolutionizing our understanding of the red planet and its potential. Each mission to Mars brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: did life ever exist on Mars? This quest drives our exploration. The search for signs of past or present life is a driving force behind our exploration of the red planet, fueling our curiosity and determination. Each discovery, no matter how small, brings us closer to unraveling this profound mystery, inching us towards a greater understanding of our place in the universe.
Section 4. The Martian Year. 1 Martian year, the time it takes for Mars to complete one orbit around the Sun, is about 687 Earth days. This is significantly longer than the 365 days it takes Earth to complete its orbit. That means a year on Mars is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. So if you were living on Mars, you would have to wait nearly twice as long to celebrate New Year's Day. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 2 Earth years. Birthdays would be a rare and special occasion. This difference in orbital period is due to Mars's greater distance from the Sun, which affects its speed and the length of its orbit. Mars travels a longer path around our star, and at a slower speed than Earth, resulting in a longer year. The greater distance means it has more ground to cover. The length of the Martian day, however, is surprisingly similar to Earth's. This is one of the fascinating aspects of Mars. A Martian day called a sol is just over 24 hours long. Specifically, it is about 24 hours and 39 minutes. This means that if you were standing on the surface of Mars, You would experience a day-night cycle very similar to what you're used to on Earth. The sunsets and sunrises would be familiar, yet uniquely Martian.
Keep exploring! Mars holds so many mysteries and possibilities. From its unique year and day cycles to its fascinating surface and potential for future exploration, there's always something new to discover. Let's keep our curiosity alive and continue to learn more about the Red Planet.